How to change country in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the profile and here you get the option of settings. Simply open up settings and under your settings select the option of privacy, and here when you open it up on your mobile device you will be able to find the option of location services. Simply click on it and select the option of never. Then open the settings right beside it and then go to the permissions. There you would be able to find the option of location. Simply click on it and select the option of don't allow. After that you need to select the option of delete certain location data. Then delete it, and after that you need to open up the settings of your phone or device. Then go to the region section and there select any particular country where you want to change your TikTok region to. Then restart your phone or device, and this way you would be able to change the country on TikTok. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.